and cosmic planetary predictions for Sagittarius 2026. So firstly, we have the Temperance card. So this asks for patience, hope and inspiration. So this is strongly connected to your energy. Since you're a fire sign, you may feel that impulsively to just jump to conclusions, but this is a call to find balance between freedom and responsibility. Over the last few years, you might have felt a little restless or impatient or emotionally scattered at times. So this year teaches you to be more centered, to be more patient without losing optimism. This is going to help you throughout the next 12-year cycle. There's going to be mental balance, and so there's going to be an elevation in your decision making. You're going to make more mature decisions for you. Lastly, we have the World card. So this means there's going to be adventure, courage, bold movement. You're going to travel around the world. It can be a vacation, it can be even for career purposes. A strong indication of even relocation is indicated. There'll be renewed passion and motivation throughout this year, and you can experience sudden opportunities and bold career moves that's going to elevate your status. New relationships are indicated, which can be sparked by excitement. So don't trust too easily, don't come off too hard, and this particular card even wants you to act with direction, not impulse. So energy without focus can burn out quickly. Some cosmic alignments affecting Sagittarius in 2026. So we have Jupiter in Leo in and around 26th of May onwards for you. So Jupiter is your ruling planet, which activates your 9th house. So this is extremely powerful for you Sagittarians, because you will start taking major leaps in your life, bold decisions. You can expand your business. There'll be expansion through travel and education, more spiritual growth, elevation of your consciousness. If you're in the teaching, publishing field, this is your area to improve and you can get success here. Your belief system expands and so does your luck. We also have Saturn in Pisces almost throughout the year, which is going to affect your 1st house. So again, talks about your identity and also affecting your 4th house. So this brings in more responsibility related to home and family. So you will have a work and home balance, and there will be more emotional grounding. This year you may restructure your living situation, emotional foundations and family dynamics. We also have an eclipse which is impacting you, majorly lunar eclipse in and around March 2026, which can activate your 1st house. Again, you will be more worried about your presentation outside, how you pose yourself to the world, your public image. So you're going to work on that, which is going to help you both personally and emotionally and also career wise. Sudden shifts can occur in career direction and work-life balance would be there. Some remedies that you can do for increasing your self-confidence and for removing that excessive restlessness during the eclipse time is to wear amethyst or yellow sapphire. So this will help you for more clarity and wisdom, and you can also chant Om Guruve Namaha 11 times on Thursdays, which will help during these impulsive phases. Also avoid big promises or commitments and pause before major decisions in 2026. So Sagittarius 2026 is not just about moving ahead, it is about reaching where you truly belong.